So hello guys, today I am talking about basic command of CMD and basic command of networking. So let's get started. First I am going to here and type CMD. Click the command prompt and first command is time. So write time and press enter. You can see here the time. If you want to only time, so type here time /t. It's a 5:20 p.m. Okay, so next command is date. So this is the date. Okay, and next command is the version. If you want to know that what is the version of your system, so simply you type version VER and press enter. It's the Microsoft Windows version 10.0.19042. Okay, and if you want to change directory, so simple type cd and type directory name where you want to go. Like I'm typing here desktop, simple. So remove the desktop, and if you want to go back directory, so press cd dot dot. Okay, and if you want to any folder created or text file, so simply type make directory and folder name. Like I'm typing here any folder name, hi, and so I'm going to desktop. Here I am want to make a folder, and the folder name is Babu, so I am simply typing here make directory. Short form is mkdir and folder name Babu, and I want to go inside Babu folder, so I'm simply type here Babu. Okay, now I'm typing here any folder and created any folder, so make a directory, folder name hi. Okay, so one folder is Babu, where it is in desktop, and hi folder in inside the Babu folder. So I am going to check it. So minimize the CMD and on desktop. So this is the desktop, and this is my folder name called Babu, and inside one folder is hi. Okay, so I'm going to back. If you want to go back two or more directories, so simply you type here dot dot and slash dot dot. So I'm going to back two directory. Okay, so if you want to know that the all information of your system, so simply type system system info. Okay, okay, so this is the all information like IP network card and this is the version and all manufacturer device name etc. Okay, okay, so if you want to know that any website IP address, so simply type here ping and website name like google.com, facebook.com. so I'm simply type here google www.google.com, press enter. So this is the pinging IP is the pinging, that means our network is also working, and IP address of the Google is this. Okay, you can check if you want to check it, so you simply go to Google and check the IP address of Google, and you can find any website of IP address. And if you want to know that the Windows IP address, so simply type here the IP config. Okay, so this is the my IP address in this time. Okay, Windows IP address. Okay, so next command is the color. So simply first you type here health color. If you want to change the color of your CMD, so simply type here this, and this is the black, blue, green, and aqua red, purple, yellow, white. If you want any color and change it, so simply here type color and like I want to here change blue, so simply type 1. So type here 1 and press enter. This is the change. Now I want to green, so simply type color and type green is a 2 number, so simply type 2. Okay, so I am typing here 2. Okay, so this color is changed. Okay, and next command is the ns lookup. So if you want to any website IP address, so you can type here any website name, like I'm here typing facebook.com, so www.facebook.com. okay, so as you can see here the Facebook address, MAC address, and this is the IP. Okay, so next command is the tracer command. You want to trace your IP, how you go to source to destination, if you want search anything, and how it is goes to your system to server, so you can type here as tracer command, tracer and IP, like I am typing this IP. .157 Okay, so first is go to 10.130.6.1, then it goes to 1922.168.0.202, and next is going to 241. This is the third part. You can see this. So these are the basic commands which you can use in your system and doing smartly work. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.